first 4 chords played in the right hand are as follows. This first chord here is a A, C, F, and A, or you can think of that as an inverted F major. Next chord, you're going to play the same chord, it's F major, F, A, C, and add an F up here, an octapier. So those are your first 2 chords. Next chord, it's kind of tricky. It's a D, F, B flat, and D. It's a little stretch, but you want to play that B flat with your middle finger actually. So it'd be. Next chord after that is just F, B flat, and C. F, B flat, C. Then on the loop, you do this. That's basically C, D, F, D, C, then repeat. Repeat those first 2 chords. Then this time you're going to play a B flat major. Actually, this is a B flat major 7th, I believe, because it's B flat, D, F, and A, followed by this chord here, which is a F, B flat, D, and F. So putting that all together, played slow, is. Then at the end, you're going to do this. And that's basically A, G, F, D, F. Then repeat from the top. Chords in the left hand are as follows. You'll start off playing octave Fs. That's an F here, and an F and octave higher. Jump up and play octave Ds. D here, D here, an octave higher. So that's your second chord. Third chord, B flats. B flat here and a B flat here. Then octave Cs. C here and C here. Then what you're going to do is play a D. Sorry, actually it's a C, D, F, D, C. Kind of play it in this fashion. Just like that. Do it once. Then repeat those chords in the left, starting with the Fs. Actually, it's. This time around, you're doing the same thing in the right, but just 2 octaves lower. A, G, F, D, F. Then start from the top. Then repeat. Notice I play those little runs in sync. Both the left hand and right hand are playing at the same time. So it's. repeat.